Hello, everyone. So today I was playing around with dictionaries and I've made this exercise. It's basically a student and grade record system. So let me show you how this works. So let's run this. So type show to view record and type Q to quit. But first, let's add some records. So enter the name of the student. Let's say Matthew. Enter the student's grade. Let's say Matthew has a grade of 91. Okay. So Matthew and his grade of 91 is recorded. It's in the dictionary. Let's type another one. Let's say Mark. Let's say Mark has a grade of 74. Let's type another one. Let's say Luke. Let's say Luke has a grade of 97. And let's say another student named John has a grade of 100. Now, let's view our record so far. So for that, we will type show. Show. So here is our record. So Matthew has a grade of 91. He passed. That's a passing grade. Mark has 74, which is a failing grade. Luke has a grade of 97. He passed. John has a grade of 100. He passed. Okay, let's quit this program. Press Q to quit. Okay. So how does this work? So first, we define a dictionary. And then we put our entire code in a while loop so it continuously run until we say to break it. First, we print type show to view record and type Q to quit. Next, we prompt the user to input the name of the student and we store that in this variable. Now let's do some logic. If the user type show, we will print or we will execute this loop. So for KV, this is a key value pair in the dictionary. So K would be the name and V would be the grade. We will print the name and the grade. Now this statement, if the grade is below or equal to 74, the word failed will be displayed next to that student's name. Else it will say pass. These are just decorative text. Else if the user inputs Q, we will break the loop. That's the logic for the first input. If the user successfully inputted something, or let's say successfully inputted a name, and he did not press Q, we will prompt the user to input the student's grade. And we will store that grade in this variable. So after the user inputted a name and a grade, we will put that name and grade into the dictionary. So this line here, the end line, will put the name and the grade into the dictionary. So yeah, that was the exercise I did for today. See you on the next video.